I mean, it's really difficult to prove whether it is because of football, but there's so many players getting dementia, you know, that it's got to be seriously looked at. I mean, you always say you need to practice on everything in football to improve and be better at it. But maybe it's in training, you know, you maybe cut heading of the ball out if it can be proven that it is heading the ball, and you know you're doing that every single day of your life because you love football and that's what you practice all the time. So maybe if they cut out training, obviously when you go onto a football pitch you've got to head a ball when you're in a match, but maybe it's training, yeah, cut down on the practice of that and see if that sort of helps in a way, but you're never going to know that until in future years.
And playing at the back, and God knows how many headers and balls you've headed, does it worry you?
Yeah, I mean it does. The right people are looking at it now. PFA, I think, are looking at it. The FA, UEFA, and FIFA. They'll come out with the results, and football has to follow. And Brian's right. You know, if heading can be taken out in training, so be it. But it is one of the skills that you need, obviously, as a defender in football. And you know, I've played down many years. Robbo's headed the ball for years and years. And yeah, as I said, they're looking at it, and we just waiting for the results. But it needs looking at very, very closely.